Ano po yung parang, would you say, pinakamalaking regalo na nakuha nyo from your parents?
The issue of sacrifice.
Mm-hmm.
If you want change, magsasakripisyo ka. Alisin mo yung self, yung ego.
Naalala niyo po ba kung ano yung first film job ninyo?
PA. Nagawa ko lahat. PA, script, continuity, designer, di nagawa ko lahat yun.
So after graduation, di ba graduate kayo from Notre Dame na economics? Diretso PA na kayo, hindi pa?
No. Nagtrabaho pa ako sa dyaryo. Nagsusulat-sulat din ako.
Oh, okay. Reporter?
Yeah. Naging beat reporter ako.
May something in common pala tayo. Direct. Police beat ba yan?
Police beat, yeah.
Oo, pareho pala tayo. Saan? Sa Manila?
Northern Police District, Quezon
okay.
City.
Okay.
Mga patay, mga away ng mga mag-asawa.
Titingin ka sa blotter, maghahanap ng storya.
Yeah. Andun sa bulletin. Kukuryentihin ka ng mga kasama mo. Mali pala yung sinulat mo.
Okay.
I did film criticism. I did music criticism sa Jingle Core Book Magazine. Dinaanan ko lahat yun.
Oh, okay. Pero dito po kayo talaga nag-stay sa film?
It came naturally. Okay na.
Hindi nung nagtatrabaho na kayo, halimbawa, first job niyo as a reporter, tapos later on in film, ano po sabi ng father niyo? Gusto nga po niya practical course.
Sabi ko na nga ba? Maghihirap ka talaga. Yeah, poverty breeds so many things. Pero sa akin, gusto ko yon kasi mas naunawaan kong tula. The human condition.
All right. And parang it changed your perspective on many things?
Yes. It keeps changing. Yeah. Mas bumubukas siya lagi. Hindi nababara ng materialismo.
Direk, with your entire body of work, when we look at it, napakalawak ng body of work ninyo. Ibig sabihin, matagal na po kayo talaga sa industriya. Ito po ba ang lagi ninyong ginustong gawin? Bata pa lang kayo, gusto niyo na maging director?
It came naturally kasi lumaki ako sa lugar na ang entertainment, ang gawain lang is cinema. Kasi nasa kabundukan kami ng Maguindanao. Teachers yung parents ko, social workers. And then weekends, we go to this town, Tacorong, may 4 na sinihan. So, there's a lot of that. Yung 8 movies a week, napapanood. Kasi double programs noon eh.
So, papanoorin nyo lahat on a weekend?
Yung tatay ko, addict sa cinema. So, gano'n.
Okay.
So, it came naturally. Nung gumagawa ako na ng material for cinema, mga scripts for teleplays. And then, eventually, I was given the chance to be a director. So, yeah.
Lumaki po kayo sa Maguindanao?
Maguindanao, yun. Sa Dato Paglas, Maguindanao.
Okay. So, parents po ninyo, doon din pinanganak?
No, from Visayas yung nanay ko, and then from Nueva Ecija yung tatay ko. Nag-volunteer sila nung inopen ni Magsaysay ang Mindanao for pioneering and for education. This was the 50s.
So they were one of the first few teachers
mga college graduates sila, and then boom, sumama sila sa pagbubukas ng Mindanao. They call it the pioneering days. Na wala pang mga kalsada noon. So young people, nag-volunteer sila to work there. And they stayed. Yeah.
Paano i-describe yung growing up? What was it like growing up doon sa Maguindanao?
Madilim, walang kuryente until nag-college ako. Halos walang kalsada. We cross rivers going to school. Naguhubad kami ng damit kasi kailangan balutin mo yung supot yung damit. So, ganon. Nire-resent ko nung bata ako, pero nung malaki na ako, grateful ako na lumaki ako sa ganon. Tumitira kami sa indigenous peoples eh. Social workers yung parents ko. So we live with the Bilaans, the Manobos, the Bagobos, the Maguindanaos. They were building small schools sa area na yun. So yun yung setup ng childhood ko.
May mga kapatid po kayo, Direk Lab? Kayo po ba ay panganay, bunso?
Gitna ako.
Gitna. So very close po ba kayo ng mga kapatid niyo?
Yeah. Mga teachers lahat.
Well, I mean, teacher din kayo, but in a very different way.
Yeah.
So, sabi niyo po, so yung love niyo for film, nakuha niyo sa tatay po niyo.
Kasi grabe sa manood ng pelikula.
So, bumababa kayo ng Tacorong, talagang para lang manood ng pelikula?
Yeah. So, yung visual cortex ng brain mo, it's all about cinema. Sa brain mo, it's all black and white. Yung Hong Kong movies, Filipino slapstick, Filipino cowboy, spaghetti western. Napapanood namin lahat yun.
You really did follow the footsteps of your parents kasi sabi niyo they're teachers and that's exactly what you're doing now. as social worker
And teachers,
and teaching.
Public school teachers.
Oo.
Ang parents ko lang naman, tinuro lang nila is the issue of commitment and sacrifice. They sacrificed their lives living with the indigenous people. So, they didn't seek comfort. Ang sa kanila, to be able to see a real Filipino nation is to involve everybody. Bakit napapabayaan mga indigenous peoples? So they went to the mountains and educated the indigenous peoples, telling them that you're part of this so-called Filipino nation. That's sa akin commitment, yun ginawa nila. It's a big sacrifice. Tumira kami sa mga kagubatan at kabundukan with the indigenous peoples, living with the mud, the snakes, and the mosquitoes. When we can have comfort here in Manila, they can have good jobs here.
Sabi niyo, you had parang some sort of resentment when you were a child.
Siyempre, hindi mo maunawaan. Bakit nandito kami sa katabi mo ahas, magising ka may ahas sa kubo ninyo. Tapos dadalaw ka sa mga kamag-anak ninyo sa Manila o sa Luzon. They have air condition, may mga refrigerator sila, may kuryente. We didn't have those until college. When I got to college, siyempre, naunawaan ko, kaya pala. Kasi sabi ng tatay ko, pag nagre-reklamo kami, paglaki nyo, maunawaan nyo kung bakit natin ginagawa ito. That's the word. Tama na yan.
Ano po yung parang, would you say, pinakamalaking regalo na nakuha nyo from your parents?
The issue of sacrifice. If you want change, magsasakripisyo ka. Alisin mo yung self, yung ego.
Ilan taon na po yung mga anak niyo, Direk?
Well, matatanda na rin sila. I was a young father. 19 pa lang may anak na ako.
None of them got into the arts?
Painter yung eldest ko.
Okay. Pero hindi film?
Hindi. Pintas lang.
When you look at your body of work, Direk, is it, pwede ba namin tanongin kung meron kang favorite? Or para ba yung parang pinagpili ka namin ng paboritong anak? Or...
No. I consider all the works as one film lang naman.
That's an interesting way of looking at it.
Pinagdudugtong lang. Yung trabaho mo, isang trabaho lang talaga yun. Iba-ibang titles lang, iba-ibang genres maybe, iba-iba yung durational ko nila. Pero it's just one work for me.
How many years na po kayo, Direk, in total sa industry? Binibilang niyo po ba yun?
I started doing cinema mid-90s.
40 plus na.
Oh.
Malaki-laking body of work na yun, Direk, no?
Parang kulang pa sa akin. You know? But every time I make cinema naman, parang okay, tinatapos ko lang yung kulang na nagawa ko. So, and then you feel limited, you feel parang kulang. May ganong feeling lagi na, yeah. Actually, it goes with the, the randomness of life, parang you wake up, malungkot ka, you wake up empty, so you have to work again, move again, do exercise, eat some food to nourish your body, read some books to nourish your soul. Ganon lagi proseso naman. It's the same with my works, with my cinema. Lagi kong, saan ba pupunta ito?
Pag tinitingnan niyo po yung mga nagawa niyo, may nakikita rin po ba kayo na parang mga bagay na sinakripisyo ninyo in order to produce those films?
Yes, of course. Dapat may 6 na akong Mercedes ngayon kung nag-TV commercial ako. May 2 mansions na siguro ako. So, you look back na hindi naman mali yung ginawa ko. Pero you're looking at my kids, parang sana mas may comfort ako na ibigay siguro kung hindi ako naging matigas na naging stubborn sa aesthetics ko, pananaw ko. Laging may ganun naman. Hindi naman nawawala.